Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I hope children you all are doing great and having fun. I am Tripti and we are here for our morning maths classes. You know that our morning maths classes happen from Monday to Saturday at 10 a.m. So kindly join the classes at sharp 10 a.m. And children, as you know that these classes are going live on YouTube, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get the daily updates. Like whenever the class will start or if there is any other update, you will get it there. So kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and make full use of the chat box, right? You can write your answers in the chat box. You can ask the questions in the chat box or maybe greetings in the chat box. So please make full use of the chat box because using that chat box, we can interact with each other. Okay, so let's get started. And I hope, dear children, you all are practicing whatever we're doing in the class. Okay. So whatever we are doing in the class, I would request you all to kindly practice those concepts again, because revision is important and practice will definitely make you perfect. So kindly practice. All right. Now I'll share my screen. Can anyone tell me what did we do in the last class? What was the topic for our last class? Try to remember. It was very easy. Okay, let's see. Just give me a moment. I'm trying to share the screen. Okay, so in the last class, we learned the multiplication tables. Today also, we are going to do a few, and then we will be, we will be doing the multiplication of 2 digits by 1 digit. So let's get started. Yeah. Let's continue with multiplication. Let's revise how to write the multiplication tables. Okay. Now, today we will write the multiplication table of 8. So, just like we did with other numbers, we are going to do same with the table of 8. Like write the numbers from 1 to 8 in one line. After 8, go to the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go to the next line. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Go to next line. You will end on 24. You will end on 32. Then 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. So, what is this? This is multiplication times table of 8. Like 8 times 1, or you can also say 8 numbers in one row gives you 8 numbers. 8 numbers in 2 rows will give you 16 numbers. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. And 8 times 10 is 80. Okay. Now, here we have done the table of 8. Okay. Now, if you remember, in the last class, like yesterday's class also, I told you, what are product and factors? So, product is the answer of multiplication. And factors are the numbers that you are multiplying. Okay. So, if I talk about product is like this, 48. And 12 and 4 are the factors of 48. Factors of 48 are 12 and 4. Okay. Now here, 48 is called as the product of 12 and 4. Okay. Now, over here, 4 and 12 are called as the factors of 48. So you can, say it either way. 48 is called as the product of 12 and 4, or 4 and 12 are called the factors of 48. Now, if I ask you product of 7, 8, so basically what is product? Product is times, like the answer of multiplication. So if product of 12 and 4 is 48, means 12 times 4 is 48. Now product of 7 times 8, like product of 7 and 8. Basically, it means 7 times 8. If it's product of 7 and 8, it is 7 times 8. What is 7 times 8? 7 times 8 is 56. Okay, 7 times 8 is 56. Next, 4 and 17. Product of 4 and 17. Four and 17, the product of 4 and 17 is 76. Yesterday also I taught you how to multiply 2 by 1 digit. Okay. Then we have product of 5 and 13. What is the product of 5 and 13? The product of 5 and 13 is 65. The product of 7 and 12. 7 and 12. The product of 7 and 12 is 84. Product of 4 and 20. 4 and 20. 4 times 2 is 8 and 0 will be like that only, 80. Product of 6 and 12. 6 and 12. It's 72. Product, we will try few more products here. 5 and 12. These are not difficult ones actually. These are different questions. 5 and 12 or 12 times 5 or 5 times 12. It's 60. Product of 7 and 14. 7 and 14. It's 98. Be quick, dear children. I know you can do it very well. 6 and 13. What's the product of 6 and 13? It's 78. Product of 3 and 19. Is 57. Product of 4 and 17. Product of 4 and 17. $76. Product of 5 and 19. $5 and 19. Is 95. Okay. Now, children, if you got the correct answers, very good. But if not, let's practice a bit more. Okay? Let's practice a bit more. So, let's see how to multiply a 2-digit number and a single-digit number. The way we did yesterday. 2 teachers and 2 students and 1 teacher. Remember the example? Now, let's see 6 and 23. You can use that method as well as this one. So 6 times 23. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break 2-digit number into, like, it's 23, right? I am going to write the place values. I'm going to expand this basically. So 23 can be written as 20 plus 3. Yeah. So 6 times 20 first I will do. 6 times 20. Then 6 times 3. Because what I have done is 6 times 20 plus 3. That's what I have done here. So I have done 6 times 20 plus 3 in a bracket. So what can I do here is, first I'll do 6 times 20. In between there is a sign of addition. Now I will be doing 6 times 3. Okay. So 6 times 20. 6 times 2 is 12 and then 0, 120 plus 6 times 3 is 18. So 120 plus 18 is 138. This is another way of doing it. Okay. Now let's verify. Verify means let's check whether our answer is correct or not. Remember, 2 students, 1 teacher. So this teacher will first go to the nearest student and will talk means multiply. 6 times 3. What is 6 times 3? Is 18. I can't write 18 directly here. I have to put 1 carry over and 8 here. Next, this teacher will go to the other student, which is 6 times 2, which is 12. But 1 is already over here on top. 12 plus 1 is 13. So my answer is 138. Hence verified, hence checked. Both ways are giving us the equal answers. That means you can opt either way and both the ways are correct. Okay, let's see the other one. Now, I want you to do it by yourself. I want you to do the verification by yourself. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay. Over here, the next is product of 5 and 26. So 5 will be written like that only. 26 can be broken down into 20 plus 6, right? So first, like as this multiplication, 5 multiplied is with both the numbers. So 5 times 20 plus 5 times 5 times 20 plus 5 times 6. Okay. So 5 times 20 is 100. Okay. Plus 5 times 6 is 30. So 130. All right. 130 is the answer. Easy. Now let's verify. I'm giving you time to verify it. A few seconds to verify. Come on, children. I hope it's done. 5 times 6. First, this we will do. 5 times 6 is 30. Now, 3 here, 0 here. 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 3 carried over, which is 13. So my answer is 130. That means both of them are giving the same answer, equal answer. Means the first way is correct and the second way is also correct. Now another one, 4 times 37. How we have done 4 times 37? Now 37 means 30 plus 7. Yeah, 4 times 30 plus 7. So first we will be doing 4 times 30 and then 4 times 7. Like this, 4 times 30, then 4 times 7. Okay. So 4 times 30 is 120 and 4 times 7 is 28. So 120 plus 28, 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 like that, 148. Giving you time to verify. See if it's correct or not. Come on, dear children. I know you can do it. Come on, come on. All right. I hope by now it's verified. So what we have done here, 4 times 7, 28. 2 here, 8 here. 4 times 3, 12. Plus 2, 12 plus 2 is 14. 148 is the answer. Both are having the same results. So that means it's correct. This method is correct. The answer that we got with this method is correct. Let's try the other one. 5 times 62. Try to do this also by yourself. I know it is written. So let me do one thing. For now, 1 second. Yeah, try to do it by yourself. Come on. Just give it a try. Because earlier it was written, right? Now just give it a try. Come on, I hope it's done. Okay, let's see how to do it and let's check your answer. All right, over here, it's 62. We can write 62 as 60 plus 2. 5 times 60 first plus 5 times 2. 5 times 60 is 300. 5 times 2 is 10. It's 310. Did you get the right answer? Now, after verification, 5 times 2 is 10. 1 here, 0 here. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 310 is the answer. Both are equal. Hence, our answer is correct. If you got the right answer, very good, dear children. Keep doing like this only. If not, please practice more. Okay, focus and try to understand. Now we will do some numericals involving multiplication. Just like we did this kind of exercise yesterday, you need to tell this. Which of the following is the product of 3 and 17? Which of the following is the product of 3 and 17? Just try to do it with both the methods, like by splitting 17, 10 plus 7, and just verify your answer as well. I'll give you time. Split method and then verify your answer the way we did the previous questions. Come on, everyone. Three and 17. Okay, so 3 and 17. 3 and 17. 17, I'll split it into 10 and 7. So first 3 times 10 and then 3 times 7. 3 times 10 is 30 and 3 times 7 is 21. I got 51. 30 plus 21 is 51. Now let's do this. Product of 8 and 24. 8 and 24. Product of 8 and 24. All right. So I hope it's done. Perfect. Let's see. 51 is the answer. Wait, not 51. Let's see. 8 and 24. Na? So 8 times 20 and 8 times 4. 8 times 2 is 16. 160. 8 times 4 is 32. It's 192. Let me change the options. 192 is the right answer. Oops, sorry. Just a moment. Hmm. 192 is the right answer here. 24, 20 plus 4, 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 20 is 160. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 here, 160 plus 32 is 192. Next one, 9 and 44. 9 and 44. Come on. I'll not give you options. Let's try without options. Come on, come on. 9 and 44, the product of 9 and 44. Come on, dear children, find out the product of 9 and 44 using any of the methods. Nine and 44. Okay, let's see. 44 is written as 40 plus 4. 9 times 40 plus 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. So 9 times 40 is 360. 9 times 4 is 36. So 360 plus 36 is 396. We can also do it like 44 times 9. 9 fours are 36. 3 here, 6 here. 9 fours are 36 plus 3, 37, 38, 39. 390. Answer correct. And verified as well. 5 and 37. Find out the product of 5 and 37. Come on, do it without options. 9 and 37. Also do verify your answer. Come on, children. Okay. So let's see. 5 and 37. 37 can be split into 30 and 7. So 5 times 30 is 150 and 5 times 7 is 35. So 185. Let's do it like this also. 37 times 5 or 5 times 37 means the same. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 here, 5 here. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 185. Now, which of the following have product of 36? You have to choose the option. Which of the following have the product of 36? In one, in from A, B, C, D, there could be two options, two correct options, or there could be only one. So it's not mandatory, it will be one or two, it could be either. Which of the following have product as 36? So over here, 9 times 4 is 36 and 12 times 3 or 3 times 12 is 36. Next one. Come on, figure out. Which of these will have the product as 36? Okay, so here 6 times 6 is 36 and 18 times 2 or 2 times 18 is 36. Next question, dear children, 56. Which of the following have the product 56? 56. Product of 56. Options are here. Sorry, I forgot to give the options. "56. This is the last question of today's class. Do it. Which of these have a product of 56? Okay, so here, if I talk about the product 56, we have 4 times 14 and 2 times 28. So yeah, children, that's all for our today's class. You have done a great job. You got the right answers. And if not, please practice more. I would request you to please practice the concept again once we are done with the class. You can watch the replay of this session. You can also take up questions from your side. No, not a big problem. So just keep on practicing however you feel okay. And yeah, I'll see you again tomorrow in the next class. By the time, take care, have fun, and have a good day. See you.